Hi, my name is Josue Batista. I am a business and technology strategist. Welcome to the 30th consecutive weekly segment of What and Why First. Thank you for all your support and encouragement over the last 30 weeks. I could not wait to produce this segment and share with you some insights from an article I found at the MIT Sloan Management Review website. The article is called 7 Technologies Remaking the World by Albert H. Segertz, a distinguished professor at the University of North Carolina. You see, as a business and technology strategist, I believe that understanding technologies from a business perspective is key to value creation. So let's quickly review these 7 technologies and learn more about them. The first one is pervasive computing. This is about all these microprocessors embedded in everyday home appliances, automobiles, wearables, and all kinds of equipment that can be implanted into living organisms, including humans. These computing devices are unseen, everywhere, and always available. Number 2 is wireless mesh networks. You see, with this type of network, it only takes just one device to have a connection to the internet. All other devices can form, disperse, and reform networks. We have a centralized top-down inflexible infrastructure. Number 3 is biotechnology. Quite interesting. Here's where the lines are getting blurry between systems and living organisms. Genetic engineering technologies like CRISPR-Cas are creating entirely new approaches to healthcare, agriculture, and chemicals. Number 4 is 3D printing. The rapid and fast evolution in the field of the mechanics that use successive layers of materials to create digital designs is nothing but amazing, breathtaking. These printers are mobile and they can print everything from concrete to living cells. Soon they will be able to print at the molecule level, creating new materials and truly personalized medicines. Number 5 is artificial intelligence. This is about all that computing power and algorithms that allow digital devices and digital technology to access, combine, and share data to learn, explain, and forecast events, processes, and trends. Number 6 is nanotechnology. And this is the realm of the engineered atoms and supermaterials. Today, nanotechnology is just scratching the surface with dry-fit clothing, drug-deliverable patches, water-repellent shoes, and active arterial bandages. But there is more coming along the way. Number 7 is robotics. These are those precise, agile, intelligent mechanical systems that are not just reducing industrial costs by automating repetitive tasks. More than that, they are opening new horizons in business and healthcare innovation. The most exciting aspect is that all these technologies have a touch point with that powerful triage that I have been talking about in my recent segments. That is blockchain, the Internet of Things, and artificial intelligence. The question for you is, how could you and your organization best prepare to harness and lock in the value of all these technologies? I want you to feel comfortable with the general idea behind these 7 technologies. So from there, you can have meaningful discussions with your colleagues, team members, senior management, clients, and other important stakeholders. I want you to be better prepared to succeed at creating value. So to that end, over the next What and Why First segments, I'm going to explore deeper into each one of these 7 technologies in the context of blockchain, the Internet of Things, and artificial intelligence. I hope that you join me on that journey. Together, we will reach wider and understand deeper the what and why behind these new ways to create unlocked-in value. Until next time, cheers!